Namaste everybody, welcome to my channel Real Time with Anu. Today I'll be sharing my journey from a shy girl to confident lady, and I'll also share 7 tips to develop confidence by overcoming shyness relating with my journey. So let me begin with my journey. I was a very shy girl back in school days. I wanted to speak to my friends, make new friends and talk to teachers and also participate in different programs, but I couldn't due to my shy nature. But today I'm pretty confident lady. I have participated in different programs, hosted different programs. I have also represented my college and country in international program. I can speak confidently with new people, even with new people, and in front of the mass also. Now let me begin with my journey. Till grade 10 or secondary schooling, I was a very shy girl. I was studious, I was good at studies, dance, and I knew I was good at speaking also because I used to speak a lot in front of mirror to myself. And but I wanted to speak to teachers, to all my friends and make friends, but I couldn't speak even with my friends and teachers because of my shy nature. I wanted to participate in different programs. I couldn't I was very shy to participate in program. I even couldn't tell my friends or teachers that I wanted to participate in program. So till grade 10 I remained as a shy and quiet girl. It was very difficult for me to be confident or act confident because I already had an image of being shy and quiet girl. I was afraid about what people would think if I say something. What if people didn't like the things I said, or what if people didn't like my performance if I participate in the programs. I was unhappy with myself. I was depressed and sad. I even used to cry without any reasons. For higher secondary education or for grade 11 and 12, I had to change school because in my place higher secondary education and secondary education are pursued in 2 different schools. So I decided to develop my confidence and not keep my image as a shy and quiet girl in my new school. I started talking to new friends. All my friends tried my best to interact with my teachers and started participating in the programs. So I also became class representative in grade 11 for the first time on my own will. This helped me to interact with all my friends, all my classmates, and with my teachers also, which made me comfortable in speaking to people, even with new people, and developing my confidence gradually. So tip number 1 is start talking with your friends, all your friends, new people, so that you feel comfortable talking with people, and this will help to develop your confidence gradually. So next is I started participating in programs for dance, anchoring or speech. In grade 11 I gave speech for the first time for welcome program. So this was very horrible. I remember I forgot all the script. I was very nervous. I was stammering a lot, could not speak properly, and my legs were shaking. But this experience actually helped me to face the mass, and I have now participated in different programs and hosted different programs, and now I'm very confident in conducting the programs because I have learned many things. I have learned to face the crowd from my past horrible experience actually. So tip number 2 is start participating in the programs, start showing your hidden talents. This will help you to face the mass, and this will help you to boost up your confidence in some extent. I was pretty creative and good at writing. I knew I would be a good public speaker if I was not shy. So I started researching on the tips to develop confidence, and I started studying on those tips. I also studied a lot when I participated in the programs like speech or anchoring, so that I would speak confidently or present myself confidently, and I kept on trying to develop my confidence. So tip number 3 is you need to have good knowledge, make researches on the topics to present yourself confidently or to be self-confident, and keep on trying to develop confidence. I constantly reminded myself that I could do it, I could be confident. Then I came to know that nobody even cared. When I made mistakes, the other person forgot about my mistakes in next hour. Nobody has so much time to think about other person. So I stopped getting bothered by other people's thought. I stopped being afraid of making mistakes. So tip number 4 is know that nobody even cares, and don't get bothered by other people's thought. Next is I changed my appearance during my high school. I used to look nerd till grade 10, so I started grooming myself. I started to take care of my appearance and be presentable. This made me get more compliment from friends and people, and made me more comfortable. So tip number 5 is be presentable. If you are not happy with your appearance, if you are not comfortable with your appearance, try to groom yourself and be presentable. But if you are happy with your appearance, or comfortable with your appearance, I don't suggest you to change your appearance, but still try to be presentable. Next is I stopped comparing myself with others in terms of everything, like in terms of looks, speaking style, dressing style. I reminded myself that I'm unique. I need to work for myself and my growth. So I started loving myself, feel comfortable, and gain self-confidence. So tip number 6 is never compare yourself with others. I know it's not easy initially, but you need to try this to gain confidence. Now tip number 7, or final tip, is change your attitude. Feel good about yourself. Know that you are unique. Your thought, your style, your looks, the way you carry yourself is unique. Always remind yourself that you can do anything and do whatever you feel is right for you. Don't ever overthink.
So these were the 7 tips to overcome shyness and to gain confidence. If you like my video or if you like my tips, please like and subscribe, and please keep supporting me. Thank you.